Hello Scorpio, welcome to my channel. So this is your weekly career, business and money reading from 14th to 20th December. Now being a general reading, not all messages might resonate Scorpio, so keep whatever resonates. So in this reading, you get to know what opportunities could present itself in this week in your career, business or money situation, or what challenges you could face, if any, so that you can handle it better. So let's start Scorpio. This is based on your sun sign and moon sign, so could check the other video as well. So Scorpio's general energy in career, business, money situation. I will not read reversals here. Scorpio's general energy in career, business, money, 14th to 20th December. Spirits and guides, angels and guides, please guide. Scorpio's general energy for career, business and money situation from 14th to 20th. Let's see here. Three of Swords, Knight of Wands, Ten of Swords, Three of Cups, so great. King of Wands, the Fool, Two of Pentacles. So what I see, Scorpio, it's a week in which there is pleasure, there is joy, there is happiness, as well as some challenges, some disappointments. That's what it's a mixed week, but more of positive side. So there could be certain challenges or obstacles thrown at you, but you will be disappointed. There could be some politics played in your office, or it could be in your personal life. You could be going through some painful moments, or professional or personal. In professional life, it could be office politics, or being dragged into that, or a certain situation in relationship or in family. But you will cut through that obstacles. You will move forward. That's what I get here. This is you will have a lot of determination. You will be highly skilled, and challenges will be thrown at you, but you will cut across those challenges and become successful here. So you will get you will get to show your talents, your skill, your determination at work. So your higher ups are going to really appreciate the way you handle things with lot of determination. That's what I get here. Some of you are moving to a new job, joining new job, new business venture, something new in your life. You are leaving something which has not worked for you. So it was a job that you weren't happy. So some of you getting a new job, or at least joining, maybe some of you are joining Three of Cups. It's a celebration, it's coming together in partnership. It's also about deals coming through, so something to celebrate, something rejoicing. That's what I get here. Definitely I see new job for some of you here. Intuitively I get here. Some of you were not happy with your job, you getting a new job here. With the Knight of Wands, you'll be fiery, you'll be ambitious. Also it talks about travel, so it could be long distance travel, short distance travel, but it will be beneficial for you. Also some of you could be very adventurous. You could take a holiday and try out new adventures with the Knight of Wands card. You will be very good at your communication. Your communication will be you will have skilled communication skills, skilled communication. So you will be very good at negotiations, bargaining. That's what I get here. And you will get very good deals and deals for your company, or if you are self-employed too, I see you doing well there. King of Wands, so very passionate, very fiery, very ambitious, and visionary. This is your energy, although this is a fire sign, but this is your energy here, I feel. So you will be you will be there is certain project that you have been handling, or that is a certain situation that you have been handling. So you will be putting your heart and soul into that situation to make it successful. You will do all the hard work, and you will be taking some small calculated risk also, because King of Wands is a risk taker. So you will be taking very calculated risk, which will give you benefits. It could be monetary benefit, it could be benefits in the long term, but some of you might be taking some risk here. The Fool, with the Fool card, you're taking a leap of faith. Some of you might just go on a solo holiday, or try out something new in December, in this week. Try something new where you haven't ventured before. So with the Fool also, it shows that all the time you're not going to be very serious about work. You want to enjoy life, you want to have good time with family, you want to have good time with friends. So it's like you will do your work, you will show your skills, you will show your determination, and you will opt out for a holiday. At home also, it seems a pleasant atmosphere, very cooperative. You will be with the people, with your family, and they will reciprocate their love too. Two of Pentacle is a lot of work. Finishing one, going after another, lot of work, balancing. So you are balancing, either a business or a job situation here, or two businesses together. So it's about juggling, it's about having options, it's about, balancing here. So some of you are balancing two jobs, some of you a job and a business, or, two business situations here. With the Two of Pentacle also, it could be that you are trying to work on two different ideas. You are trying to weigh options. Some of you might be having options in your job, so you will need to make a decision, prioritize, weigh the options and make a decision. If you do have two options in job, so logically you will think about it and make a choice. That's what I get. Now here I do not see any Pentacle card, but yes, Two of Pentacle. And so money could come from anything that you have worked on. It could be stock market, it could be it could be anything, like from farming to teamwork that you have done, from from a business, from deals, bonds, shares, investments that you have done, a pay. It could be a settlement coming to you. So these are the different money sources that you could be getting here. So excellent week, Scorpio. Just let me pull out an angel guidance card for you here, and we'll sum up this video. So just let me pull out this angel guidance card. So this is illusion. So embrace the truth. So just embrace the truth, stay away from illusion, and this is it. If you do like my readings, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much, and stay blessed.